Nike and IKEA stopped selling on Amazon and instead they focus on their direct-to-consumer strategy. Direct-to-consumer strategies are my field of research for my dissertation. By a D2C strategy, I understand an omnichannel strategy that brings the manufacturer's brand in direct contact with the consumer. The goal can be selling products, but also learning or engaging with the consumer. A famous example is Nespresso. Personally, I consider the change in the consumer packaged goods industry as very exciting. D2C strategies serve as an attractive option for manufacturers. These strategies are linked with a lot of topics like personalization, capabilities, data management or social media. Therefore, these strategies are very demanding, but also very interesting. The theoretical framework and first research questions are identified. Now my next goal is to work on this topic together in collaboration with companies. Thereby interviews, analysis of data sets, or planning or implementing D2C strategies might be a way to collaborate. I'm fully convinced that there will be supermarkets in 20 years as well.